At this standard students, let us start new chapter mensuration. Introduction, we have learned that for a closed plan figure, the perimeter is the distance around its boundary and its area is the region covered by it. We know very well the definition of perimeter, outer measurement. You can see in this book when you will measure. You will get the perimeter of open book, this. Okay, now if we want to measure its area, so space covered by, so what we will do, you can see, we will open the first, we will boundary, we will measure, draw, and then open the book, then space covered by this book we will call its area. Just now I am not talking about book. Book is in cuboid shape. I am not talking about. Only I am talking this open paper, flat surfaces. Okay? Clear? So, we found the area and perimeter various plane figures such as rectangles, triangles, circles. We have also learned to find the area of pathways or borders in rectangular shapes. So many, the cost of fencing also we have learned, and calculation how the rupees we will get for wall painting or whitewash. So many various problems we have discussed in the earlier classes. In this chapter, we will try to solve problems related to the perimeter and area, other plane closed figures like quadrilaterals. We will also learn about surface area and volume of solids such as cube, cuboid and cylinders. Cube, already we have discussed the cube is solid shape in the three-dimensional, cuboid also, cylinder also. Let us recall. Let us take an example to review our previous knowledge. This is figure of rectangular park whose length is 30 meter and width is 20 meter. We can see need to find the perimeter of this park, which is 100 meter. Rectangular park whose length is 30 meter and width 20 meter. What is the total length of fencing surrounding it? To find the length of the fence, we need to find the perimeter of this park. Just a few minutes before few minutes I talked, which is 100 meter. How? Perimeter. Perimeter. The formula of perimeter, rectangular shape. The perimeter of rectangular shape, any object. So formula is 2 in the bracket length plus breadth. Length is 30, breadth is 20, 50 and 50 to the 100. How much land is occupied by the park? To find the land occupied by this park, we need to find the area. So area of rectangular park is length into breadth. That means 30 into 20. 3 to the 6 with 20. So 600 square meters. There is a path of 1 meter width running inside along the perimeter of the park that has to be cemented. If 1 bag of cement is required to cement 4 meter square area, how many bags of cement would be required to construct the cemented path? That means 1 meter broad cemented path. So from every side, length and breadth will increase because there is a path of 1 meter width. 1 meter width is, so from here 1 meter and from there 1 meter. Okay. We can say that the number of cement bags used area of path and area cemented by 1 bag. So at present, forget it. In the practical language we will do. Okay. Area of cemented path. This path we have to cement it. Okay. Inside. And this is the length and this is the breadth. There is a path of 1 meter width running inside the perimeter of the park that has to be cemented. Okay, now see here. Area of cemented path. Area of path minus area of path not cemented. Path is 1 centimeter wide, so the rectangular area not cemented is 1 centimeter from here and 1 centimeter from here. So length is 30. So inside, so this will be, because here we have to make cemented area, but inside park is there. So what we will do? 30 minus 1 and 30. So 1 from here, 1 from here. 30 minus 2, that means 28. And from breadth also 20 minus 1, 20 minus 1 here. So 18. So this area, not cemented area. Okay. So whatever actual area we are getting 600, whatever we are getting this area, we will subtract, then we will get the area of path, and whatever area of path we are getting, we will divide by 4, because in 4 meter square area we need 1 bag of cement. So we will get the answer. You will send to me answer. Okay. Now there are 2 rectangular flower beds of size this, each in the park as shown in the diagram, and the rest has grass on it. Find the area covered by grass. Now there are 2 rectangular flower beds of size here in the park as shown in the diagram. Here also, here also. Rectangle 1.5. So this area. So any one area you will find, length into breadth. So 15 2s are 30, and before 1 is 3 meter square. You will multiply by 2 because 6 meter square. Now find the area covered by grass. So whatever area you are getting inside, you will subtract that area. So area covered by grass you will get. Okay. Now see on the next page, area of rectangular beds. So area of rectangular beds is, that means this is given, length, breadth. So, and 2 beds are there, so you will easily calculate. Already I explained 6 meters. Area of path left after cementing the path. Area of park inside an area covered by the grass, that means remove the beds. Okay, you will do this question in the proper way in rough notebook, and you will send the images of this on my personal WhatsApp number. I will wait. And internals mark I will give on the basis if homework you are not submitting, views are I am not getting, tuition classes you are going, you are not joining here, tutorials you are not watching, then everything will be observed, because result you will get from the school only. So please, your internal marks you will get on the basis of regularity and interaction with teacher. So it is the interaction between us when you will send homework. We can find the areas of geometrical shapes other than rectangles also if certain measurements are given to us. Try to recall and match the following. Diagram, shape, area. Diagram, rectangle, and formula is breadth into height. Breadth into height. Because breadth is A and length into breadth, that means B into A or A into B. Now see, the shape is square and area of square A into A. Triangle, half into B into H. Half into B into H. Parallelogram, half B into H. Because when you will divide this, you will get two triangles. So B into H, B into H. Circle, the area of circle pi r square. So pi b square, because radius is denoted by b here. So pi b square in place of pi r square, because it is also radius. Only alphabetical letter is changed. Okay. Now it's given. Can you write an expression for the perimeter of each of the above shapes? Definitely we can write. Perimeter of rectangle, 2 in the bracket length plus breadth. So 2 in the bracket B plus A. Square, 4 into A, because triangle perimeter, sum of all three sides. Parallelogram, same rectangle and so 2 in the bracket, length B plus H, height. Circle, boundary is there. So the perimeter, that means circumference of circle, is 2 pi r. Clear? Now you will solve this question. You will in your CW notebook, that means in interleaf notebooks. How you will solve? Diagram, shape, perimeter, area. One more column you will add here and you will fill this table. Diagram you will draw where? On the blank pages. Shape's name, rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, and then perimeter of area of rectangle. This, then other figure, its name, formula you will write and you will fill in this way. Now match the following figures with the respective areas in the box. Parallelogram. So the formula, area of parallelogram is height is not given, so leave it just. Now semicircle. So area of semicircle is whatever area we are getting whole, just we will divide by 4. Okay. So pi r square. Diameter is 14. So radius will be 7. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. Area. Now you will calculate and you will tell. Respective areas in the box. Okay. So I am solving here pi r square. But here is the semicircle. So half pi r square. So pi is 27 into radius 2 times 7 into 7. Half is 11. So 77 centimeter square. So it is area of semicircle maybe, and one more, length into breadth. 14 sevens are 98 centimeter square. Okay. Now here half into B into H. Base 14. H 7. So 14. 7 sevens are 49. This. And square 7 sevens are 49. So maybe the area of this may be, write this. Height is taken here. See here, height is given. Straight line. So B into H, that means 14 into 7, 98. Right? Now write the perimeter of its shape. So perimeter of its shape is 2L plus B. So 14 plus 7, 21, and 21 into 2, 42. And here the perimeter is here half, not full circle. So 2 pi r. So here the perimeter only pi r. Pi, the value of pi is and R is, so perimeter is only 22 centimeter. Okay, here the sum of three sides. So 9 plus 14, 23, 23 plus 11, 24 and 10, 44. Now here L plus 2L plus B. So 14 plus 7, 21, 21 2s are 42 centimeter. Here 4 into A, so 4 7s are 28 centimeter. So this also you will do in your interleaf notebook. Okay, figure you will draw on the, and then you will write perimeter of parallelogram. Perimeter of given parallelogram is equal 2 in the bracket L plus B, then calculate, then write, and then second area of parallelogram. Area, then you will write circumference of half circle is equal to pi r, because 2 pi r is there but semicircle is there, so half you will divide. So this divide by. Okay, here same way you will solve. If you are having any query, you can ask me. Okay, but you have to solve.